Hi everyone, here's Leo from Google Group. And now we are at Google Research and Development Manufacturing Center. Today we will introduce you tomato paste processing line. Let's go. The whole production line will have integrated control and it will help save labor. When clients talk about tomato paste processing line, they will face some problem. Firstly, the tomato puree extracting rate is too low. Secondly, the final tomato paste color is dark rather than red. Thirdly, the tomato paste is overcooked. And firstly, they add a lot of additives, so the final tomato paste is not easy to digest. Fifthly, the final shelf life of tomato paste is not too long. Aimed at to solve those problems, we designed tomato paste processing line. And then let us introduce the machines one by one. Then the first one will be the washing machine, like the pesticide and those dust will be cleaned in this side. And then the tomato will be lifted and below the surface water to be crushed into the small particle to help improve the efficiency. And then this one is important because the crushed tomatoes will be preheated. Then after preheated, the tomato skin and seeds will be easy to separate. After this, the tomato puree will come to the puree extracting machines. Then the tomato skin and seeds will go into this barrel. And then the final tomato puree will enter into the storage tank. And after that, the tomato puree will come into this mixing tank. In the mixing tank, you can add some salt or some other things to balance the acid and alkali. And after that, we will go into the most important concentration machine. During this one, this is vacuum concentration. During the whole process, the tomato paste is under 55 to 65 degrees. So that means the tomato paste will be not overcooked. And also the cooking time will be done into 40 minutes. So that means it will not a long time cook to lose the nutrition. After the vacuum concentration, you will get the tomato paste with the red color. And then it will go into this storage tank. In the storage tank, it will guarantee the sterilization machine will continuous work. Because after the sterilization, the final tomato paste will have the longer shelf life. And after that, it will enter into the final product tank. This final product tank with also the mixing function to guarantee the tomato paste will not stick on the wall. And after that, it can go into the packing parts. And this one is for the big barrel package for the restaurants, so you can use this filling machine. And the final product, it will enter into this pasteurization machines to make a second time pasteurization to guarantee the final package will be aseptic. This tomato paste processing line has been successfully launched in different countries. This production line will help clients to improve the efficiency and guarantee the consistent product quality. If you also want the same tomato paste processing solution, welcome to contact Google to make food production simpler and safer.